Good day everyone and welcome to the BTC Light Brigade YouTube channel. I'd like to thank all of you for joining us once again. Today's video is going to be slightly shorter than the other ones. I got into a commitment earlier and the posting is a little late, so I want to get it out to you as fast as I can. Alright, so you know what we do here. We forecast the BTC USD chart, what's going to happen tomorrow, and we give you the forecast today. So let's first review what the forecast was for today. We posted it yesterday. Let's take a look at that now. Alright, so this was the forecast for February the 25th. It's broken down into three sessions: Asian, London, and New York. All times are in North American Standard Time, and we start with 6:45 p.m. in the Asian session. Now, I'm going to take you over to the BTC USD chart. I'm not going to go over all the times and how the trades worked out. I will do a highlight for you on this video. Like I said, it's going to be an abridged version. All right, let's take a look at that for now. All right, so we're looking at BTC USD on the 5-minute time frame here, and this is when the Asian session started on this dotted line here. So basically, some of the highlights were we got very near the top. We got in here. Market just fell. When it retraced back, we're not interested in the long. So when our time signal hits again, we're just waiting for the market to go under. We get under. Bearish candles. We're taking it for a short again. The time signal here was around this point, so we draw our support line. Market dipped. We're not interested in that. It hit our time signal. We wait for it to get above. We can go long here. Market came back to test it and then started coming up. We've got two intervals very close together, but the market stayed at the same price around at those levels, so that was a beautiful trade here too. You know, we could short here, testing. We could short again, and then the market did it for a third time. It just shot up with a wick and then some nice bearish candles for a move down. Then we basically caught the low here, and then the market started trending up. All right, so that was quickly the highlights of some of those trades on there. There are others, and you can go through those on your own, but I just wanted to point out those highlights for you today. This is when the Asian session starts on the 26th here. After this line, let me just move it. See the dotted line here? Okay, so that's our time interval, and you can see what happened again. We caught that top here. We're not interested in well, I mean, we don't really want to go short here. Look what we're doing here. We're making higher highs, right? So we're going to wait for the market to get to a time signal where it's going to give us support. So here we've got a time signal. We've got a bullish candle. We're taking it north. It comes back to test a little bit. Here, another time signal hits, so we can ignore this first one. Sorry, ignore the first one if we didn't get in. We can get in here, bullish candle. All right, and then the market comes back to test and is giving us some nice trade here. So this is the next time signal, and this is all, like I said, for the 26th. So I'm just giving you a heads up what to expect. Since I'm recording this video a little later than I expected, we're already into the Asian session. This is a live market, and like I've told you guys, I'm placing these vertical lines on those timestamps. I still have to add more, but you know, we could have a turnaround right here even. Let's see what happens here. It's on the time interval. Let me blow this up for you here. All right, so we're currently sitting right here. What we do is we're starting here, so we're going to draw that support or resistance line. If the market gives us a bullish candle here, we'll take it north. If it blows underneath, we know what to do. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and my apologies again. This is a very short video compared to the other ones, but I hope to join you tomorrow again, and happy trading. All right, and here is the forecast for February 26th. That would be for Wednesday. Once again, broken down into three sessions: Asian, UK, and New York. We start the Asian at 7:05, and remember, these are North American Standard Times. All right, I wish you happy trading for tomorrow, and we'll join you then, and we'll do another review and another forecast. Take care.